What's up, T-Bed family? Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a spinach white bean sausage all-in-one dish. This can be vegan. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
You are watching the T-Bad channel. Watching the T-Bad channel.
All right, here it is. Here we have it. So this can be vegan, as long as you leave the sausage out. Obviously, processed meat is not good for you. So I tried to press out as much of the grease as I could. So it is what it is, but this is amazing. So let's go ahead and try it. Wow. So much flavor. Honestly, this would be great without sausage. Right. That queso fresco. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was delicious. I've never made this before. I think it came out really good. This is a spinach, kale, and sausage all-in-one meal. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Fabian. Until next time. Bye.